Hello guys, this is KK Singh, Vedic Astrologer, and welcome to my YouTube channel Om Astro Jyoti Learning Vedic Astrology. And today we are again going to discuss the monthly prediction for each and every ascendant series. And today we are going to talk about the Sagittarius ascendant and Sagittarius moon sign people. And let us see what is going to happen to them. Okay, so for Sagittarius ascendant and Sagittarius moon sign people, Jupiter, the Lagna Lord, is in the Lagna, which is very good. Now, this is a very thumbs up point for all the Sagittarius ascendant and Sagittarius moon sign people. And especially after the transit of Rahu and Ketu, this Jupiter is very, very, very powerful. So now you are having a wonderful time as in comparison with the rest of the year. Okay, because Jupiter in the Lagna is very powerful and very strong. So this is good. And also Jupiter is getting Digbali here. Though the Sadesati is running for the Cancer, for the Sagittarius ascendant and Sagittarius moon sign people, because Saturn is in the second house, but this is a setting phase of Sadesati, so nothing so much to worry. Okay, but Ketu in the 12th house and Rahu in the second house are actually making a Pap Kartari, but this Pap Kartari is not getting effective because Jupiter is very, very strong here. Okay. Now, the second thing is Mars in the fourth house. Mars in the fourth house is not good, being a malefic, and also it is retrograde right now. So, there will be a lot of turmoil in the domestic peace, and the person will also not be getting a good amount of rest. Okay. Now, we see Rahu in the sixth house is also very good transit for the Rahu because Rahu, being the malefic, enjoys being in the sixth house. Now Rahu is in the sixth house, so definitely Sagittarius ascendant and Sagittarius moon sign people will be very competitive at this moment of time, and whatever kind of difficulties they were facing in case of career or in case of any obstacle for doing any work, now it is going to be okay. Now the obstacle will be removed because of the Rahu. Now, because Rahu is very strong and also exalted in the sixth house. So it is also a good transit. For the first week, that means from 16th of October till 22nd of October, for Sagittarius ascendant and Sagittarius moon sign people, because this is a monthly series starting from 16th of October till 14th of November. So for the first week, we see Venus. You can see the mouse cursor here. Venus is in the ninth house of Leo. Okay, and there is an exchange between 9 and the 11. This is a kind of Dhan Yoga, but here Sun is debilitated. So the yoga's efficiency will reduce, but still it is a good Dhan Yoga. It is also with the Mercury, which happens to be the 10th Lord. So we can say that 9, 10, and 11 lords are getting connected to each other. Now that is also a very good yoga for in terms of career and in terms of gain. Only one difficulty is that Sun is in the sign of its debilitation, but being the exchange, because there is an exchange between the Sun and the Venus and the 11th Lord and the 9th Lord. So this, debilitation is getting a little bit of cancellation because of the Parivartana. So this is overall a good position and good period for Sagittarius ascendant and Sagittarius moon sign people. Even the Mercury is retrograde, it is not going to give so much of the difficulty. Any planet, be it malefic or benefic, transiting in the 11th house becomes very good, and they give a very wonderful kind of result in case of transit. So this is also a good period for Sagittarius ascendant and Sagittarius moon sign people. That means the first week is going to be good. But yes, there will be some difficulties because of Saturn in the second and Mars in the fourth. Now let us come to the... Okay, now the second week, that means from 23rd of October till 29th of October for Sagittarius ascendant and Sagittarius moon sign people. Now everything is the same, only the Venus is going in the 10th house. Now their Venus is going in the 10th house. Venus is getting debilitated, and yet it is also getting a cancellation of the debility that is called the Neech Bhanga Raj Yoga. because this is happening in the highest Kendra house, that means the 10th house. So the effect is not going to be so much. And Venus transit in the 10th bhava is also good, not very bad. And there is also an exchange between the 10th and the 11th lord, with also with the 9th lord. So again, the time is very good, not very bad for Sagittarius ascendant and Sagittarius moon sign people. Mars anyhow is looking at Venus, so that is one thing which we have to take into consideration. But overall, this is a good thing, good transit. One more thing I would like to tell you, that Mars is will be trying to give some effect in the career also, but Venus from the other hand will also give the effect of calmness in the house. So because they are directly opposite to each other, Mars and Venus, so that means there will be sometime it will be good and sometime it will be bad. So you have to deal with that thing. So sudden shifting of the energy or sudden difficulties in home environment or in your workplace, it might come, but overall the transit is good for Sagittarius ascendant and Sagittarius moon sign people from 20. So nothing major it was changing in the 30th of October till 6th of November, because every planet was in the same places, same houses. So the only the moon was changing. So there is not a big difference in overall thing. So it was the same. But we can say from 7th of November till 14th of November, for Sagittarius ascendant and Sagittarius moon sign people, Mercury is getting direct. Now the 10th lord getting direct is also a very good thing. And it is also the 7th lord. So definitely whatever the things which were getting pending or which you were unable to do at a stipulated time, or which was giving you obstacle in the career, now it will also clear off and everything will be fine. So guys, this was my analysis for Sagittarius ascendant and Sagittarius moon sign people. I hope you would have liked the video. If you did, then do subscribe to my channel Om Astro Jyoti Learning Vedic Astrology, and definitely after subscribing you hit the bell icon so that you get the latest update. So this was KK Singh, Vedic astrologer, and I am signing off for today. Thank you for watching my videos on my channel Om Astro Jyoti. Thank you. May God bless you.